Welcome back to the Quick Dart Programming course. In this class, we are going to discuss how to write patterns that we needed using regular expressions. In our last class, we already discussed about an introduction to how we write regular expressions. We are going to use regex, exp. This is the function which we are going to use. And in that function we are going to write. We discussed about what is meant by this R. So please watch our previous class and come back here. This is a continuation class. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, see, hoping that you already know from the previous basics. So in our last class we have used /w for finding the word characters. Similarly, /b is used for word boundary. What's that mean? Let's try to understand when we are going to use /b with an example. This is a simple test. This is the sentence which we have. In this, we need to identify the word is. We need to identify only is. But you observe it carefully. Is is present in this also. Is is present here in the last this also. You should not identify is. You have to identify is as a word. In that situations, this /b is going to be used. So in order to write the regular expression to identify the word is, regular expression of, see, in these quotations we are going to write the expression /b means the starting of the word boundary. After that you need to have only is, then end /b, end of the word boundary, means it is going to identify only the words that is. In that way we are going to use /b as a word boundary. Now coming to that, we are going to understand much more with the next example. Words starting with MO. We need to identify words that start with MO. Means, see here, take an example. Most mobile phones are more. This is the sentence which we have. In this, we need to identify words starting with MO, means most is the word, mobile is the word. So next, last one, more is the word. We need to identify. If you want to write regular expression for that, /b, start of the word, and then you have to find MO. After that you can find any of the word character. /w star. /w means word character. Star means you can find any number of word characters, 0 or any number of word characters. In our last class we used plus. Plus means 1 or any number of characters. Here star means 0 or any number of characters. Why we mentioned star here? 0 means we have only word MO. You need to identify it. Then /w is going to take 0 number of characters. After MO, /w is going to take a 0 number of characters. That's why star is used. This is very, very important to understand because we are going to use this star many number of times. So you work on it properly. You take multiple examples and try to practice it. That is the best way. So /w star, the words that start with MO. Similarly, next, words contain HO. See, the words contain HO. HO is in the beginning, is in the end, or it is in the middle. Anywhere, if the word contains HO, those words has to be identified. How we are going to write? Regular expression of /b means starting, /w star means before HO you can have any number of word characters. That's why /w star. Star means 0 or any number. Some words may start with HO. Then this is going to take 0 characters. Horse, HO. After that you can have any number of characters. /w star. So this is how we write. This is going to identify the words that contain HO anywhere in the word. It may be in the beginning, it may be in the end, it may be in the starting. Now coming to that next one, a set of characters. Set of characters, words contain, suppose let's take words contain A, E, I, means the words that contain A character or E character or I character, all the words that I need to identify. If you want to identify like that, we have to write like this in square brackets. We are going to write. Let's take an example, the quick boost to economy. See, in this E is there, in this I is there, in this, no, this is not matching. Sorry. In this, no matching is there. So we need to identify the words the and quick. So regular expression of /b/w star. If you need a set of characters, you have to write it in square brackets, A, E, I. You can type any number of characters, all those characters. If any one of them match, it is going to taken as true. After that, you can have /w star, means if you find A, E, I, any of the character, after that you can find any number of word characters. So all the words that contain E, I, A will be identified. So now coming to the next one, single character, we are going to use dot. Suppose regular expression of T dot E, means you are going to identify the words that start with T, end with E, and in between you can have any character, means TOE, toe. That is one character, it is one word it is going to identify. TIE, tie, it is going to be identified. Like that, in the place of dot, it is going to take any number of a single character, not any number of characters, single character, any character. Similarly, we are going to use here, in our last video, we discussed about /w, word characters it is going to take. Similarly, /d is going to take only digit characters. Digit 0 to 9 digits will be taken. We can write /d, or you can take in the square brackets 0 to 9, means a set of characters. 0 to 9 characters are going to be taken. See, in dot, this is very important. Here D is small d. If you take it as capital D, we are going to take it as not a digit, exactly opposite to this, not a digit. In our last class, we already discussed about /w, means word character. /W means not a word character is going to be taken. Like that, in dot, any capital means you are going to take it as not, opposite of that. Similarly, not digit, you can consider it as in the set, you can write like this, brackets, cap symbol 0 to 9, means not digits. This is one way to write not digits. Cap is used as a symbol to mention it as not this set of symbols. Okay, next one is range of characters. You can write some range of characters, A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9, like that. You can mention the range of characters also. And one more, next one is a /s is used to identify the space. Similarly, not space means /S. And next one is a question mark symbol is used to match preceding character 0 or 1 time. So question mark symbol is used to match preceding character 0 or 1 time. With example you are going to understand. Suppose if you are having COLOU question mark R. See, in American English, color is given as COLOR. In British English, color is given as COLOUR. So if you are reading a text, you have to identify both the words. Then U question mark means before character U can be considered as 0 or 1 time. Means it is going to identify all the words. If it is written in British English or if it is written in American English, it doesn't matter, because if U is there, it is going to take. If U is not there, it is going to take as color. So that's why we are going to use question mark symbol. Similarly, the next one is /d. Means only digits. How many digits you want to identify? If you want to identify 4 digits, then you have to mention the set, how many is written in this flower brackets. 4 means 4 digits. Similarly, slash d 2 comma, if you don't mention the next one, then it is going to take 2 or more digits. Similarly, slash d 2 comma 5 means 2 to 5 digits it is going to take. 2 digits or 4 digits, 3 digits or 4 digits or 5 digits. So using all these expressions, we have to write patterns that we needed. Hope you got clarity about regular expressions. In our next class, we are going to discuss about one more small topic is there regarding group. So that we are going to discuss in our next class. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.